Ma-kun and Shii-kun. In a certain place, there were two characters. Ma-kun, who keep rolling, and Shii-kun, who can stay still. Ma-kun keep rolling no matter what. Whether it is a narrow path, a bumpy road, or a steep slope, he never stops moving. Shii-kun, on the other hand, can stay firmly in one place. He can remain still wherever he likes and feels at ease.
Ma-kun, you're amazing.
C-kun admired Ma-kun.
You can keep moving forward no matter where you are. That's incredible.
However, Ma-kun looked a little troubled and said,
But you know, sometimes I want to stop. Once I start rolling, I just can't stop anymore.
One day, Ma-kun's grandpa appeared and spoke to C-kun.
Everyone started out like you, as a square.
C-kun was surprised.
What? Then why did they all get round?
Grandpa smiled and said,
That's because they started trying things that caught their interest, and slowly began to roll. At first, they just rolled a little. With each roll, their corners got a little bit smoother. Rolling again, they lost even more of their edges. As they continued rolling in different places, before they knew it, their sharp corners had disappeared, and they had become round.
Grandpa spoke to C-kun again.
That's why it's important to try a lot of things while you still have corners. Once you become round, you won't be able to stop rolling anymore.
C-kun thought for a moment. Being still was nice, but if he never moved, he would always stay a square. Without experiencing new things, time would just pass by.
Alright, I'll try to roll too.
C-kun slowly started rolling, bit by bit. Seeing this, Ma-kun smiled.
That's great.
Rolling through various places is a lot of fun.
With a little bit of nervousness, C-kun rolled forward into a brand new world.
Someday, we all become grandpas and grandmas. That's why we should try as many things as we can while we still have corners.